Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdur Rehman. In this video, I'm going to explain how to sketch this type of quadratic function. This is y equals 2x squared plus 2x minus 3. So the step number one is we have to find out x-intercepts. Step number one. But before finding x-intercept, we have to recognize which type of graph will be drawn. So observe this is the coefficient of x squared is positive x square here. So when y equals to positive x square, parabola will be this type of function is the minimum value function, and parabola this type of parabola will be drawn, and we can memorize by happy face for y equals to x square. For y equals to positive x square. So the first step is we have to find the x coordinate by putting y equal to 0 in this equation number one. So going to write find y coordinate, find, sorry, x intercept, not y coordinate, x intercepts. By putting y equal to 0. In equation number one. So equation number one, now y equals 0 equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. And the next step is we have to factorize. We have to factorize by breaking the middle term. Link is given in the description how to factorize this type of equation. So by breaking middle term, x squared plus 3x minus x minus 3. I have given the link. I'm going to give the link in the description how to factorize by breaking middle term. Common x, common here. And the next common is minus 1. So x plus 3. 0 equal x plus 3 times x minus 1. And how to solve this type of equation, link is given in the description. So when we have to equate x plus 3 with 0, x minus 1 with 0 also. X-intercepts are x equals to minus 3, x equals to 1. There are two x-intercepts, 1 and minus 3 here. So next step is find out line of symmetry. Line of symmetry, we can find a line of symmetry and equation of symmetry by sketching the graph. So going to x-axis and y-axis for x-intercepts. So here are axes here. Now, the y-axis, x-axis. X-intercepts are 1 and minus 3. So I'm going to plot 1 and minus 3. Suppose this is 1. And there's minus 3 here. So the line of symmetry and the equation of symmetry by line of symmetry is passing through the midpoint of minus 3 and 1. So minus 3 and the midpoint of minus 3 and 1 will be minus 2. Sorry, minus 1 here. So step number 2, I'm going to write step number 2. Find equation of line of symmetry. We can find equation of line of symmetry by by the midpoint of this. So minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2. It will be minus 2 over 2 minus 1. Or by taking the average of these two x-intercept, we can find the line of symmetry. X equal to minus 1 is the equation of line of symmetry. And this is passing through x equal to minus 1. So going to draw a line of symmetry here, which is passes through x equal to minus 1. Suppose this is 0, 1, this is minus 1 here. The line of symmetry is passing through x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 is the equation of line of symmetry, and this is line of symmetry here. This is line of symmetry for the graph. And this is the equation of line of symmetry. Now, next step is we have to find out x-intercepts, the line of symmetry. Next step is we have to find a turning point and a y-intercepts. So, step number 3, find out turning point. Turning point, or we can say stationary point. Or we can say vertex, coordinates of vertex. So we can find turning point, coordinates of turning point, coordinates of stationary point by putting x equals to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 in the original equation. The original equation was y equals to x square plus 2x minus 3. Y equals to, this is y equals to x square plus 2x minus 3 was the original equation. So we're going to put, by putting x equal to minus 1 in original equation, which is minus 1. The original equation was y equals to x square plus 2x minus 3, and x is minus 1, so plus 2i, so minus 1 minus 3. So the y-intercept will be 1 minus 2 minus 3. Y-intercept will be minus 4. So this is the y-intercepts. And the coordinate of y-intercept will be minus 4 here. So suppose this is minus 4. Suppose this is minus 4 here. And the coordinates of vertex or y-intercept will be minus 1 comma minus 4 is the coordinate of vertex, is the coordinate of stationary point, or we can say a turning point, or we can say vertex. Now we have to draw sketch. We have to start to sketch the graph, but before we start to sketch the graph, find out y-intercepts. Y-intercepts, we can find y-intercept by putting x equal to 0 in the original equation. So step number 4, find y-intercept by putting x equal to 0 in the equation 1. So equation 1 was y equals to x squared plus 2x minus 3, and y equals to 0 squared plus twice of 0 minus 3 will be minus 3. So this is the y-intercept. And it is a y-intercept. It is not the y-intercept. It is the y-coordinate of turning point. So this is y equal to minus 3 is the y-intercept. Y equals to minus 3 is the y-intercept here. So y equals to minus 3. Now start to sketch the graph here. Graph will be, we have recognized this. The graph will be the minimum value function here. Minimum value function y equals to this was the graph here. So going to start to sketch the graph and try to be, it will be symmetrical. So it is parabola, minimum value function here, passing through minus 3 and minus 4 and minus 3 is a y-intercept here. And this value is the minus 3 because in the step number 4, this is minus 3, the y-intercept of this graph. So this is the sketch of y equals to x squared plus 2x minus 3. And this is the minimum value function. So I hope you have got the idea how to sketch the graph of y equals to x squared plus 2x minus 3. So don't forget to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.